When we speak about a school of prophets into a valid, yes, into valid. Njengoba wazi ukuthi fivefold, kukhona lokho kubizwa ngokuthi apostle, kube khona uprophet, kube khona evangelist, kube khona upastor, then bese bakhona teacher of the word. So we fivefold. Akhona amaskole othi specialize kani especially my Bible schools uthi lesi sikole specialize ngelokozana apostolic bese bakhona specialize ngeevangelic ngelokozana ngobuvangeli kube khona futhi esispecialize ngokuthi upastorisha kanjani ibandla kube khona esisiza kakhulu theological uma ngabe teacher of the word and all the stuff kanjalo ke naka prophecy sikhona ikhona isikole esibizwa ngokuthi i-prophetic school noma i-school of the prophets, right? So i-school of the prophets iqalwe nguSamuel. So uSamuel was the very first person owaqala i-school of the prophetic. Into eyenza uSamuel aqale i-school of the prophetic ile yokuthi by the way iverse leku chapter 19 verse 1 Samuel chapter 19 verse number 18 ngaku 24, 1 Samuel chapter 19 verse number 18 ngaku 24. So umuntu owaqala i-school of the prophetic, the very first person owaqala the school of the prophetic kwaba uSamuel. uSamuel into yamenza aqale i-school of the prophetic ile yokuthi ningakhohlwa manje wakhuluma ngelokhuzana nge-school of the prophetic ngikhuluma ngakwiside la Christianity njalo khuluma ngiside la Christianity. So into yamenza uSamuel aqale i-school of the prophetic ile yokuthi yena ngesikhathi ekhula wakhula ngaphansi kwegrace kampriest uEli. Now uma bekhula ngaphansi kwegrace kampriest uEli i-calling yakhe yayingambizela ekutheni abe umpriest uSamuel, yayimbizela ukuthi akabe uprophet, right? So abe prophetic. So now njengoba uSamuel prophetic kubizwa ukuthi kufuneka akhuliswe kwi-anointing of being prophetic, you understand? So now uma ekhuliswa akekho umuntu omkhulisayo. So uSamuel was the prophet owakhuliswa ngumoya ongcwele understanding izinto zaka prophets. Now uma ufunda ihistory kaSamuel uzothola ukuthi ngesikhathi efundiswa umoya ongcwele ukuthi abe prophetic kwakuyinto very difficult, because i-prophets akukho lula ukuthi ungakhula easily kuyona uma ngabe engekho umuntu okumentorisha kuyona. Kungcono makhona umuntu ozokumentorisha akuguide ukuthi yena kwangena kanjani, kwahamba kanjani kwi-gift ya prophets, wezwa kanjani in the realm of the spirit, wafunda kanjani interpret imbono, wafunda kanjani interpret amaphupho and all that stuff. So we long journey. Abanye bathatha up to 12 years, you understand? So now uSamuel ke so uSamuel ke uma ngabe ekhula wakhula engenayo imento, wakhula engekho umuntu omfundisa izinto zaka prophets, esizwa eguide uNkulunkulu, yabo. So uSamuel manje ufunda history yakhe kuyavela ukuthi wakubona kuyinto enzima kakhulu ukunderstand anointing ya prophets, wakubona kuyinto enzima kakhulu in such a way ukuthi waenda apha esevula ilokhuzana i-school of the prophetic. Yilethi lapha kwincwadi kaSamuel esibiza ngeviyo labaprofeti, yabo lesibiza ngeviyo labaprofeti especially ku chapter 10 ku 1 Samuel sibiza ngeviyo labaprofeti. So leso kwakuyi-school of the prophetic. Abantu ababegrunywa uSamuel kwi-gift yaka prophecy, you understand? Ebagruma understanding izinto zaka prophecy, ebagruma understanding ukuthi kukhona into ebizwa ngokuthi spirit of prophecy, kukhona i-gift of prophecy, kukhona i-office of prophecy, yabo. Njengoba ngizisho kanje la kulula ukuthi nje lezi zinto uzibambe, but uma ngabe wahlala ku-prophetic school kuba lula ukuthi ufunde ukuthi kukhona i-gift of prophecy, kukhona i-spirit of prophecy, kukhona i-office of a prophet, do you understand? So izinto zonke lezo ofuna ukufundisa zona ukuthi nanokuthi wazi ukuthi abaprofeti bahlukene igaba eziwu-2. Kunabaprofeti ababizwa ngama-Nabis prophet, bakhona abaprofeti ababizwa ngama-seer prophet. So ama-Nabis prophet ila abaspecialize ngokuzwa, yes, aspecialize ngokuzwa. So aba-interpreti enimbono, they just say whatever bakuzwile in the realm of the spirit. So laba babizwa ngama-Nabai prophet. Then bese kuba khona ama-seer prophet. Ama-seer prophets aspecialize ngokubona imbono. That's why iNabai my prophet izothi ngizwa uNkulunkulu ethi noma ngizwe uNkulunkulu ethi iNabai. Then a seer prophet uzomuzwa ethi I see in the realm of the spirit noma ngibona in the realm of the spirit noma I saw in the realm of the spirit. Do you understand? So isiya ke le. So indlela abadisena ngayo abantu abangamanabais ayifani nendlela abadisena ngayo abantu abangamasiya. You understand? So zonke lezi zinto ke kwakuyizinto ayikade ezifundisa kuSamuel. Mind you, uSamuel was a seer prophet who specialized ngokubona then ukuzwa. You understand? So now uma ngabe efundisa ke wafundisa ivio laba prophet understand the gift of the prophetic. So uma ngabe ebafundisa uSamuel nakho nalapha sibona uSaul elahlekelwa zidonke elahlekelwa zimbongolo wafuna imbongolo wangazithola up until aze ofinyelela kumprofeti awofinyelela kubani kuSamuel who was a seer prophet. Uma befika kuSamuel mthetho no imbongolo sezitholakele lizofunayo but into engicela uyenze hamba uye kuphi igama leliyantaba kambe igama leliyantaba langibalekela ke njengamanje kodwa kulungile uthi elokhuzana eGerison right usethi akaye lapho uma ngabe fika lapho uzofica ivio laba prophet into ethi akaye lapho uzofica ivio laba prophet ingenxa ukuthi uyazi uSamuel ukuthi ivio laba prophet uzolifika and linentaba lapho sihlangana khona lithanda zakhona. So uma ngabe noSamuel eya lapho no Saul eya lapho uzofike kuimpatheke igrace. Now uSaul mangabe efika kwivio laba prophet wanyuka kwivio laba prophet wabafica bekhona bethandaza wabafica futhi be prophet. The Bible tells us ukuthi even uSaul engasiyena umprofeti naye he started to prophesy. Yabo ngoba ukuba kwivio laba prophet noma ukuba ku group yaba prophet noma ukuba ku school of the prophetic ukwenza ukwazi uku-unlock your gift of the prophetic as well, and then bese uyakwazi uku-operate as a prophet even if i-gift yakho ka-prophecy ibikade ivalekile. Now i-school of the prophetic ke azigcina ngalapho. I-school of the prophetic sihambe sazofinyelela ku-Elijah. U-Elijah uma ngabe sehluthwa uNkulunkulu uhluthwa uNkulunkulu esenama branch angu-3 e-school of the prophetic enama branch angu-3 e-school of the prophetic. That's why uma ngabe ufunda incwadi le ekhuluma ngo-Elijah uzozwa kuthiwa kukhona ama-sons of the prophetic, ama-sons of the prophetic, ama-sons of the prophets, ama-sons of the prophet. So lawo ama-sons of the prophet ayekade efunda kwi-prophetic school leke manje iyayikade isiphethwe ubani iyayikade isiphethwe ubani mthobani Elijah yakade isiphethwe Elijah, right? So u-Elijah ke uma ngabe esehamba ayiphelanga i-prophetic school i-prophetic school yaqhubeka yaze yayofinyelela la ku-Elisha. Lo Elisha naye waqhubeka nayo i-prophetic school. You understand? So umbuzo ke mangabe uthi umprofeti Mathu ngabe i-valid into ebizwa nge-prophetic school? Yes, of course it is still valid, and then isawenza umehluko and isabasiza abantu abaningi and basakhula futhi prophetically kuma prophetic school.